Welcome to the world of Agile. In today's fast-paced business environment, Agile methodologies have become essential for navigating complex projects. Agile focuses on adaptability, collaboration, and delivering value incrementally. It empowers teams to respond effectively to changing requirements and deliver high-quality products. Whether you are a seasoned project manager or just starting your journey, understanding Agile can significantly enhance your project success. This essay explores Agile's core principles and delves into popular frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, XP, and Lean. We will unravel their unique strengths and provide guidance on selecting the most appropriate framework for your specific project needs. By the end of this journey, you will have a solid understanding of Agile and its transformative potential. Section 2. Defining Agile. Agile is a set of principles for software development and project management. It prioritizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Agile methodologies emphasize iterative development, continuous improvement, and responding to change effectively. The Agile Manifesto, a foundational document, outlines 4 key values: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. Agile methodologies empower teams to deliver value incrementally through short cycles called iterations or sprints. This iterative approach allows for frequent feedback and adjustments, ensuring the project stays aligned with evolving requirements. Agile promotes close collaboration between team members, fostering transparency and collective ownership of the project. By valuing individuals and interactions, Agile fosters a culture of teamwork and shared responsibility. Working software is prioritized as the primary measure of progress. Customer collaboration is paramount, ensuring the delivered product meets their needs. Finally, Agile emphasizes responsiveness to change, enabling teams to adapt quickly to new information and market dynamics. Section 3. Scrum, the art of sprints. Scrum is a widely adopted Agile framework that structures development into short, time-boxed iterations called sprints. Each sprint typically lasts 2 to 4 weeks and involves a set of predefined ceremonies and artifacts. Scrum emphasizes teamwork, accountability, and iterative progress toward a well-defined goal. The Scrum framework defines 3 primary roles: product owner, Scrum master, and development team. The product owner is responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog, which contains a list of features and requirements. The Scrum Master acts as a facilitator, ensuring the team adheres to Scrum principles and removes impediments to their progress. The development team comprises professionals responsible for designing, building, and testing the product increments. Key Scrum ceremonies include sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Sprint planning involves defining the sprint goal and selecting items from the product backlog to be completed during the sprint. The daily Scrum is a short stand-up meeting where team members share their progress, identify any roadblocks, and plan their work for the day. The sprint review showcases the completed work to stakeholders for feedback. Finally, the sprint retrospective allows the team to reflect on the sprint, identify areas for improvement, and implement changes for the next sprint. Section 4. Kanban Flow and Visibility. Kanban is another popular Agile framework that visualizes workflows and optimizes the flow of work through a system. It utilizes a Kanban board, a visual representation of the project's progress, to track tasks as they move through different stages of completion. Kanban emphasizes limiting work in progress, WIP, identifying bottlenecks, and continuously improving the process. The Kanban board is divided into columns representing different stages of work, such as to do, in progress, and done. Tasks are represented by cards placed on the board, with their movement across columns reflecting their progress. Limiting WIP ensures that the team focuses on completing tasks before starting new ones, preventing bottlenecks and improving efficiency. Kanban encourages continuous improvement through regular analysis of the workflow. By identifying bottlenecks and areas for optimization, teams can streamline their processes and enhance productivity. Kanban's visual nature fosters transparency and collaboration, enabling team members to understand the project's status and identify areas where they can contribute. Beyond Scrum and Kanban, several other agile frameworks and methodologies offer unique approaches to project management. Extreme Programming, or XP, emphasizes technical excellence and frequent releases through practices like pair programming, test-driven development, and continuous integration. Lean focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing value by streamlining processes and empowering teams to make decisions. In XP, close collaboration between developers is promoted through pair programming, where two programmers work together on the same code. Test-driven development involves writing tests before writing code, ensuring high-quality code and reducing bugs. Continuous integration ensures that code changes are frequently integrated and tested, minimizing integration issues. Lean principles encourage teams to identify and eliminate non-value-adding activities, known as waste. This includes unnecessary steps, delays, defects, and overproduction. Lean also empowers teams to make decisions and solve problems at their level, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and ownership. Selecting the most appropriate Agile framework depends on various factors, including project complexity, team size, organizational culture, and desired outcomes. Scrum excels in managing complex projects with clear deliverables and deadlines. Its structured approach with sprints, roles, and ceremonies provides a solid framework for iterative development and frequent feedback. Kanban is ideal for projects with a continuous flow of work and a focus on optimizing existing processes. Its visual workflow and emphasis on limiting YP enhance efficiency and transparency. XP suits projects where technical excellence and frequent releases are paramount. Its practices like pair programming and test-driven development ensure high-quality code and faster delivery cycles. Lean principles can be applied to any project to eliminate waste and maximize value. Its focus on streamlining processes and empowering teams is beneficial across various contexts. Ultimately, the choice of framework should align with the project's specific needs and the team's capabilities. Agile methodologies have revolutionized project management by fostering adaptability, collaboration, and customer centricity. Scrum, Kanban, XP, and Lean offer distinct frameworks for implementing agile principles, each with its strengths and ideal use cases. Understanding these frameworks empowers teams to choose the best approach based on their project's specific requirements. Agile's iterative nature, focus on continuous improvement, and emphasis on delivering value incrementally have proven highly effective in today's dynamic business environment. By embracing Agile, organizations can enhance their responsiveness to change, improve team collaboration, and deliver high-quality products that meet customer expectations. Agile is not a rigid set of rules, but a flexible and adaptable approach to project management. Its principles encourage teams to continuously learn, adapt, and improve their processes to achieve optimal results. We invite you to share your experiences with Agile methodologies and contribute to the ongoing conversation. Have you implemented Scrum, Kanban, or other frameworks in your projects? What challenges did you face, and what successes did you achieve? We welcome your insights and feedback. By sharing our experiences and learning from each other, we can further enhance our understanding of Agile and its practical applications. Let's collaborate to unlock the full potential of Agile methodologies in driving project success and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Your contributions are invaluable in shaping the future of Agile and empowering teams to navigate the complexities of modern project management. Let's embrace the Agile mindset and embark on a journey of continuous learning and improvement together.